Oh, yeah.
every thought that you have. And it's hard because, again, it's like we live in a world where we're taught to hate ourselves constantly. So it's like, it's really hard, but it's like every single thing I think that you think about yourself and others and how you react to things, what you choose to think about, what you spend time talking about. It's like, I think it all plays a part somehow. Manifestation, like if we're going really there. But my mom always taught me that if I want something, it can happen. Like it's absolutely possible, and to never act like it's not. And I think in a way that's kind of manifestation. It's like you think about it like it's already there, and it is. But I was taught that since I'm 4 years old. I was 4 years old and they called 411 to ask the lady who worked at the front desk at Universal if I could audition for all that, you know? And then I was on Nickelodeon. That was like my first, you know.
Yes, yes, it is true.
I do think it's real because I think that that's how I'm here at all.
I heard that you tell yourself sometimes you're doing good, baby.
Yes. You got to.
Yeah.
You have to, because there's another little voice that's going, you're not doing good enough.
Yeah.
So the outside voice has to go, you're doing good.
What's your personal mantra, Jen?
I have so many affirmations that I do, and I've done affirmations for a long, long time. I feel like they really do, that the more, I believe that how you think, and I teach my kids this, your thoughts create your life. And so you have to think positive thoughts all the time. You have to force yourself to think positive thoughts at times. And so I do a lot of different affirmations. I'm open and receptive to all the goodness and abundance the universe has to offer. I am in perfect health. My children are in perfect health. We are safe. We are whole. I am whole.
Oprah, you're my vision board for 2018. Really? And I am here, so I have manifested this moment. Congratulations. Do you even have a vision board? And if so, what type of things are on it? Wow. Yeah.
I don't vision board anymore because I am a powerful manifester. And I know that, and I know how to do it without physically putting it on a board. You have to meet the vibration. You can't be above or below it. It's just what I was talking about, negative energy, positive energy. In order to draw the thing to you that you want to come, you can't want it so much that you fear that you won't get it. You have to want it. So in order for me to be on your vision board, you must have put it there and then you let it go.
Yes.
And then you weren't thinking about it every day. Because you can't, it doesn't come to you that way. You have to do it, and then you have to put it, and then you have to meet that vibration. You have to prepare yourself to be there and ready when it shows up, and you were.
When I first moved to Los Angeles 15 years ago, I took an acting class. They made us watch The Secret. I don't know if you remember that. It's like you manifest the things you want in your life.
Of course. Rhonda Byrne.
That's right.
Yes.
I made a vision board. It was a house, a horse, and Ellen. I don't know what I wanted from you exactly.
Was it my name or a picture of me?
No, it was you.
A picture of me.
A picture of you on a red carpet that I cut out of a magazine.
So, did you get the house and horse?
I have the house and the horse, and here I am.
Oh man, that's it worked. It worked.
You want to know something crazy that I just remembered? Before we made any songs together, Finney said this, and it was kind of as a joke. We were talking about, like, making music, like, we were like, what if we made music together? And he goes, I'm gonna make you the biggest pop star in the world. And I was like, haha, like, we laughed.
When was this? How long ago was this?
2015, the beginning of 2015.
That's crazy. What does it feel like now? You're in this house, you're sitting there, like you say, you hear these songs being recorded and made, and then now you sit in these arenas.
Because the whole experience is so crazy, you know? I mean, for a while they'd write these songs and I'd be like, when is it gonna come out? Because everyone in the world has to hear it. And now everybody hears it, and
I had a dream. I got everything.
Is it true that you run on a treadmill with a big picture of an Academy Award in front of it?
I do, but it's not right in front of the treadmill. It's over in the corner somewhere, just so it's in the back of my mind.
Not quite the back, I'll bet. I bet it's a little closer than the very back of your mind.
Well, it's getting closer.